So Facebook Ads Manager. Using Facebook Ads Manager, you can actually create ads. The ads you see in your Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds. And using Facebook Ads Manager, you can create or manage any kind of marketing campaigns or advertisement campaigns. Facebook Ads Manager is the largest data mining tool in the world right now. Facebook Ads Manager gives you the power to target the right audience, create the right creatives, right ads, and without Facebook Ads Manager you cannot create any ads in Facebook or to create ads in Facebook and Instagram you need Facebook Ads Manager. Inside Facebook Ads Manager there are multiple levels. The levels are you can target people based on demographics, psychographics, their interest, their behavior, what your audiences are liking, disliking, what videos they are watching. You can create lots of audience and have lots of insights using Facebook Ads Manager. If you are doing any marketing campaigns, you are planning to launch any marketing campaign, without Facebook Ads Manager is not possible. This is the main tool to create advertisement campaigns for your business. So how you can get a Facebook Ads Manager account? If you have a Facebook account, then you already have a Facebook Ads Manager account. But if you are going to run ads for your business, then it's a good idea to create a separate Ads Manager for your business page. To create a Facebook Ads Manager account, you just need to search in Google Facebook Ads Manager. In the first page, you will find that Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the link and from there you will be able to create Facebook Ads Manager account. After that, just put your necessary informations and you will have your own Facebook Ads Manager. Getting Facebook Ads Manager is not everything. You have to learn. Then you have to learn marketing. You have to learn how you can run ads. You have to learn about your audience. What will be the best targeting for your audience. You have to learn how to create ad creatives, how you can target the best audience that convert better. You have to learn how you can scale your successful ad campaigns. You have to learn lots of stuff actually. So it's a fun game, it's a fun thing to learn, and there are lots of videos on YouTube, and in my upcoming videos I'm going to make lots of videos about Facebook ads, so stay tuned. And so let's jump into my computer real quick and let me show you live how everything looks like inside Facebook Ads Manager and how you can actually log into Facebook Ads Manager. Let's go. So here I am into my computer right now, and first you need to type Facebook Ads Manager in Google. Facebook Ads Manager in Google. Click on one first or second option, anything, and click on the link. And you can see a page will be open. If you don't have a Facebook Ads Manager for your business page, you can create from this page. I have a Facebook Ads Manager, so this is prompting me to go to my Ads Manager. So if I click on it, I will go to my Facebook Ads Manager. So let's jump into my Facebook Ads Manager. So here it is, my Facebook Ads Manager, and that's how it looks like. And I already running some campaigns in this. So you can see some active campaigns and drafts that I am editing. So when you will create your first Facebook Ads Manager, there will be nothing, and you have to create from scratch. You have to hit create, and there are multiple campaign strategies: brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messaging, conversion, catalog, traffic sales. Lots of strategies depend on your business needs. You should use any of these campaign strategies. So Suppose you need more leads, more customers. You have a real estate business and you want to generate more leads for your business. So what campaign strategy you will choose? You will choose lead generation strategy. So let's suppose you are creating lead generation ads. So it continue. You can name your campaign here. These are other advanced options I will tell you later. So after you name your campaign, it next name your ad set. So for lead generation, you can use a lead form or calls. You should be able to choose your page from here. Put your budget here when you want to start your ad, time, and this is the main thing. This is where all the magic happens. This is detailed targeting options. From here you can create lots of audiences. You can target people based on where they live. You can target people based on their age, gender, language, and detailed targeting. Suppose you are real estate business owners and you want to target home buyers, you have to just search, put the keyword here, house, home, apartments, anything. Just put one keyword and click on suggestions. It will suggest you lots of relevant targeting options. You can see how many people are interested in home, house, real estate, investment associations, etc. Flat, property, real estate, investment. You can see here in India just alone, you can change the age from here. You can see how many people are actually actively looking for a flat, house, home or property. More than 9 crore people are looking for flat, home, house, real estate, investment, property, etc. So just think how much power you have if you show your ads to those people and they're interested to buy, and you just convert one deal from all these people. Will you be happy? So this is the narrow audience. You can narrow the audience further from here. You can add more options, like this option works like if then strategy, that you are telling Facebook that, hey Facebook, if someone has interest in flat, home, house, and also they visit 99 acres, magic bricks, these websites, only then show my ads those people. So if the audience are actively looking for flat, home, house, real estate, investing or property, and visiting property portals like 99 acres, magic bricks, etc., then only then show my ads to those people, because I don't want to waste my money on random people, right? So this is how the all magic happens. And in this category you will be able to upload your image, videos, or this is called ad creative, and this will be how your ad looks like. From here you can put your text, etc. You can create your form from here, and after that just hit publish and your ad will be live. So that's it about Facebook Ads Manager. So that was pretty much all for Facebook Ads Manager, and in my upcoming videos I will shoot more detailed videos about how you can create Facebook ads and stuff like that. Have questions? Ask me in the comment section. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and goodbye.